The Texas Playboys are on the air.
Listen, everybody from near and far, if you want to know who we are, we're the Texas Playboys from the Lone Star State. You know, Bob could take an old fiddle tune and just make it swing like where you wanted to dance. So before there's too much been said, let's all dance this old tune called Ida Red. Light in the parlor, fire in the grate, clock on the mantelpiece, it's getting late. Curtain in the window, snowy white, don't forget to come next Sunday night. Ida Red, I'm plumb fool about Ida Red. All right, Skeeter. Packing out door, granny, we don't bite no child, no. Hurry up, boys, and don't fool around. Grab your partner and truck on down. Ida Red, I'm plumb fool about Ida Red. I'm Johnny Gamble, ladies and gentlemen. Bob had a way of taking a simple melody and by adding his own touch, gave it life forever. Tunes like Maiden's Prayer, the one you're hearing in the background now, Bob's granddaddy's old tune, Faded Love. Now, the Texas Playboys could take a novelty tune and make it swing like true jazz. Now, hit it, boys. Here we go. Hungry every minute of the day. Roly-poly, chewing on a biscuit. He likes everything from soup to hay. He can't eat an apple pie and never even bat an eye. He likes everything from soup to hay. Roly-poly, daddy's little fatty. Bet he's gonna be a man someday. Two boys, Johnny Gamble, and Tiny Moore. Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wayne County. Roly-poly, daddy's little fatty. Bet he's gonna be a man someday. Thank you. And now the Bob Wills tune that really needs no introduction, the great San Antonio Rose. San Antonio Rose. Melody, song of old San Antone, where in dreams I live with a memory beneath the stars all alone. It was there I found beside the Alamo enchantment strange as blue up above. That moonlit path that only she would know still hears my broken song of love. Moon in all your splendor, oh, only my heart. Call back my rose, rose of San Antone. Lips so sweet and tender, like petals falling apart. Speak once again of my love, my own broken song. Empty words I know still live in my heart all alone. And that moonlit path beside the Alamo, my rose of San Antone.